Good morning, guys. It's Katie. Welcome back to another vlog. I should probably start by saying good afternoon because I just woke up and it's 1:15 in the afternoon. But it's Saturday, May 9th, I think, and I'm just so excited about today. Yesterday it was cloudy and foggy and rainy and gross, and now it's pretty and sunny outside. I gotta take these pimple stickers off. Oh, that one looks better. If you guys don't know, I love pimple patches. They're like the best thing ever. You put them on your face and you sleep overnight and it makes your pimples go away. I have lots of pimples right now. Ow, this one hurts. Looks pretty good to me, whatever. I'm posting a video in 45 minutes on my main channel. It's where my brothers guessed female products, and it's so funny. We filmed it all yesterday, and I spent all day editing it yesterday, and it's hilarious. Like, it's such a funny video. So go watch that on my main channel, Katie's Corner, if you haven't. Y'all, we hit 500K subscribers on there, and I just want to say I'm so thankful and grateful for that. It's crazy. I can't believe I'm at 500,000 subscribers on that channel. It's whack. Since I just woke up, I'm gonna go upstairs and see what my family's doing because it is 1:30 in the afternoon. So I come upstairs and my parents aren't here. They're nowhere to be found, not answering their phones, but Cam is back there underneath the blanket. And Chase was sitting there, but he left. But y'all, it's so pretty out. Oh, my mom's calling. Look at her contact photo. Hello.
Hi.
Where are you?
We're at Ingles.
Can we go to the lake?
Oh, we just came back from a drive to the lake. It was so gorgeous.
I want to go out on the lake.
I know, me too. Me too, baby, me too.
I talked about this in a few vlogs ago, I think, but we actually bought a boat. My parents, like, that's been one of their dream things is to get a boat, and they've saved up a lot of time and money for it. Because of Corona, the boat was on back hold, so we aren't able to get it until June 10th is when it gets delivered. We're not on the lake, we're in the mountains, but Lake Blue Ridge is like 15 minutes away from us. So every time we've been on the lake, we've been on like friends or family's boats, or we rented boats. Our boat is coming in soon, and it's literally beautiful outside. Like, if you saw yesterday, it looked nothing like this. It was cloudy and foggy. Now it's so pretty, and all I want to do is be on the lake. So they're getting some food for us because they're at Ingles right now getting some snacks because it's 2. When the boat comes in, expect my Instagram to be popping because I'm gonna take some popping boat pics, lake pics. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. The lighting here is like really good, so. It's now 2, so I'm posting my video with my brothers. It's going live right now. Go watch it, y'all. Quizzing my younger brothers on girly products. It's so funny. Go check it out. But now I need to post it on my Instagram.
There's a specific peeler in there as well. Let me get it.
You don't need to do it.
I do. I
That's
love
like
that
that's
one.
like silly.
Excuse me, I'll show you.
This is a perfect slice.
This is the perfect slice. Ready?
Oh, good job, Mom. Well, they went to Ingles and got a bunch of stuff for a cheese board. What's it called? Charcuterie board. All this fancy stuff. This smells gross. Ooh, pickles. Are these sweet pickles?
Yes.
Oh, fork.
6.
Cam's lunch. I'm now in my iconic chair sitting outside. We can't go to the lake because it's freezing out. It's sunny, but it's 54 degrees. Not cutting it, man. So I'm just gonna sit out here for a little bit, scroll on my phone. Y'all have been really liking the new video, which is good. I also just posted an Instagram picture. James Charles made tie-dye merch. My hair is going crazy. If you watched my last vlog, you know that I got silicone straws and I've been using them for the last like few days and they're so nice. I love silicone straws. I normally use metal ones, but they're in the other house. But I just get a glass, put some ice water or green tea. Ooh, green tea, green tea. We take the stevia and we add it into the green tea. Ooh, someone refilled it. You have to add a lot of this because this is like not that sweet. Oh, probably not that much. It looks like drugs. Here's my silicone straw collection. Today I think I'm feeling this blue color. I don't know why. And we're just gonna mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds. Yeah, I definitely made a mess. I was outside for around an hour, but it's really chilly up there. It's really windy. I had a blanket and I was still cold. Probably because I don't have pants on, but this green tea smacks. Oh, let's get some light in here. Not too much though. We can open this one too. just like that. I never open it more than that, otherwise it's too much. Here's my bed. We had to change the yellow sheets out for white sheets when I washed my sheets the other day, because when I put them in the washing machine, detergent stains got like all over my beautiful yellow sheets, so now they're white. Y'all can all say hi to my video. I'm vlogging today, so hopefully you guys will see yourself on my vlog channel, Katie Mackenzie Vlogs. That's so fun. But I've been on live for Instagram for just a little while, chatting to people, so hopefully you guys see yourself in my new vlog coming soon. So it's now 7 and I just drove to the mailbox and picked up my package. My second Shein package came in and I'm really excited because I've been waiting on this package to do another haul on my main channel, and I have like $100 worth of clothes in here that I got. If you didn't see my first Shein haul, that's on my main channel video, but I ordered more because I really liked their stuff. I can't show you guys what's in here now because that's gonna be for that video, but I'm gonna try it all on. I'll post a TikTok about unboxing it so you can see kind of the stuff there, but I'm really excited about this package. I've been waiting on it for like 2-ish weeks, so it's obviously been a few days. I started vlogging this on Saturday and I never really finished, and I planned on vlogging Mother's Day, but my family and I ended up kayaking 10 miles on a Pkwy river in kayaks, so I just never ended up doing that. And then Monday I had school and I didn't want to do another school vlog, but now it's Tuesday and I'm in my Atlanta house. Y'all, if you guys have kept up with my vlogs, you know I ordered an iPad and an Apple Pencil and it finally came in and I'm so excited, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. I've been waiting for this package for around a week and a half now, and I'm so hyped that it finally came in. I've never had my own iPad before or an Apple Pencil, and also my Sephora purchase came in and another Amazon purchase. I buy too much stuff online, but I think I'm gonna do a separate like quarantine haul on my main channel soon. I'm not here permanently, I'm just doing another one-day trip, but I think we're gonna be coming back to this house to stay here for a while soon, hopefully like really soon. My dad said obviously we're gonna keep going back to the mountains over the summer because my school gets out in 2 weeks. Yes, I thought I would just do a little unboxing haul. I'm so excited. Okay, let's start with the Apple Pencil. I have this little box cutter. I love this thing. But if you don't know why I wanted an Apple Pen and an iPad in the first place, it's basically because obviously YouTube is my full-time job and I wanted to start using Procreate, which is an app where you can like draw in and add in plugins to your videos, and it's just a good thing to have. Like you can take notes on it easily. That's the main reason I wanted one. I feel like I'm gonna lose this Apple Pen. This was $100. It's called an Apple Pencil, by the way. I keep calling it a pen. What is this? I wonder if you have to charge an Apple Pencil. Does anybody know? Please let me know. Look, oh, ah! Of course I dropped it. Oh my goodness. Here's my $100 pen that's not even really a pen. No one really cares about this. Let's get into the iPad. I forget what color I got, but this is the iPad 7th Gen, which is the newest one. It's not a Pro or a Mini or anything. It's just the newest iPad, and I got 128 gigs because I literally have no storage on my phone, and it's 64. I have no storage on my laptop, my MacBook, and that's 121 gigs. So I was like, let's just get the biggest gigs possible. Oh my, I'm so excited. I forget what color I got. I don't remember if I got like silver or gray, rose gold. Is it this color? It might be that color. How do you open it? I haven't gotten a new Apple device in a long time. It's really big. I did not expect it to be that big. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. Getting new like gadgets is so fun. That probably wasn't that satisfying. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at my new iPad. Okay, I literally bought a case off of Amazon and it came in like a week before the actual iPad did, so let me grab that. This is the case that I got off Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. It's super cute and it's supposed to be protective so I don't break it. Yes, this is the cute little iPad case that I bought. It has this cover. I just thought it'd be like a pretty thing, and it covers the front, so obviously we don't want it to get all dirty. Let me take a little thumbnail. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. I'm gonna set it up now. I literally don't even know how to do this. Whoa, the power button. Do I have to charge it? I probably, oh, it turned on. Why am I acting like it wouldn't turn on? I'm so excited. English, United States. If you have an iPhone, oh, set up new iPad. Whoa, it just like connected to my phone. Hold your iPad up to the camera. It just connected from my phone to the iPad. Keep this iPhone near your iPad while the information is transferred. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Technology is whack. Let me just say that. I can't believe I just had to put it near each other and it would set up automatically. That's my little unboxing. If anybody knows what this part of the Apple Pencil is for, Is this just another tip and another end? I really don't know. I cannot wait to step up the quality of my videos and get to learn how to use both of these new products. Thank you guys for even allowing me to buy this stuff. Yes, I bought it with my own money. It's just crazy to me that I can be able to do this because of you guys. So I love you. I think that is the end of this vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It was kind of vloggy, kind of unboxy, all that kind of stuff. Get ready for better quality videos. Go follow my Instagram. I give a lot of updates on there, and you can probably see me play with the iPad on there. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.